Looking to breathe new life into your Lenovo P300, P310, P320, or P410? Maybe you're experiencing power issues, or perhaps you're just planning an upgrade. Today, we're diving into a compatible power supply that could be the perfect solution. The HK350-12PP 400W PSU. This power supply is designed as a compatible replacement for a range of Lenovo models, including the P300, P310, P320, P410, and even some ThinkCenter series like the M710T and M920T. It's also compatible with various model numbers like HK280-21PP, FSP 400-48 GPA, and FSP 250-38 GBA, offering broad compatibility for Lenovo systems. The HK350-12PP boasts a 400W maximum output, providing ample power for most standard configurations of these Lenovo workstations. It features the essential connectors you'll need: a 10-pin, a 4-pin, and an 8-pin connector, ensuring a secure and reliable connection to your motherboard and other components. This unit accepts AC input ranging from 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, making it suitable for use in various regions with different voltage standards. The compact ATX form factor, with dimensions of approximately 5.5 by 3.3 by 5.9 inches, ensures it fits neatly within the confines of your Lenovo case. When selecting a replacement power supply, compatibility is key. The HK350-12PP is designed to work seamlessly with the specified Lenovo models, eliminating the guesswork and potential headaches of using a generic PSU. It's a direct replacement for part numbers like a 6860T, a 7000T, an 8800T, and others, further solidifying its compatibility. The Lenovo HK350-12PP power supply offers a reliable and compatible solution for upgrading or replacing the PSU in your Lenovo workstation. Its 400W output, essential connectors, and broad compatibility make it a strong contender for keeping your system running smoothly. If you're facing power issues or planning an upgrade, this power supply is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.